Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my screen that will be the new one to show you how you can do that. And now just with your two fingers move at the center at the same time, and here you will see the widgets icon. Go there, and as can you see right now we got here all the available widgets that we can add to our screen. For example, we'll go in with the clock one, just hold for a while and drag it to the position where you wanna just add the widget. You can also move this widget here on the screen or between the screens. Just hold and drag by this way. Also we can add the same way one more widget, for example that will be the calendar. Just hold for a while and drag it here. If you wanna, you can just change the size of the widget. You can also move it to another screen. This can be just the big calendar here if you want. Also you can make it by this way. We can make it smaller. And also we can just remove the widget. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the remove icon, and by the same way we can remove these second widgets too. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.